Hi, Gerald Stafford here, Fourth Dimension Technologies. Again, very short video. Just want to kind of go over the Azure Pass program. Again, there seems to be some confusion in how you use it, how do you access it. It's so that you know the program is on a first come, first served basis. So once you get your MCT, you have to immediately register for that program. They're not just going to give it to you. So you have to go in and register for it. It's a first come, first served basis. The Azure Pass program is basically giving you access to the Azure platform so that you become very comfortable with how to utilize that tool during the delivery cycle, and so that you develop the skills and the competence that's going to help you be a much more dynamic trainer. You should take full advantage of the Pass program because you get $100 a month in credits toward that program. And if you're not using it, you're losing it. And the reality of it is, you depend on what you paid for the MCT certification itself, the instructional skills course. It may cover 100% or at least 50% of the cost of the courseware itself. So you should make sure that you take full advantage of it. So that's what we're going to talk about. It's going to be quick. It should be 5 to 10 minutes at most, but hopefully 5 minutes or less. So what is the Azure Pass program? I've already touched it a little bit, so I don't have to spend a lot of time here. Basically, you have $100 a month subscription to the platform itself, so that you can get comfortable with the platform, comfortable with the tools. When you bring that in with the My Visual Studio platform as an example, another subscription product, and you start to build out labs and things like that, you can see where you can integrate the tools so that you're really good at what you do. You start to develop the skills as a trainer. This is for Microsoft certified trainers in terms of the robustness of the Azure Pass program, and so you should take full advantage of it. Now, how do you access the program? And the reason for these very short videos is because we know that new MCTs are trying to get their legs under them. They're kind of trying to figure out how do they access some of the benefits. I've even had them send me emails before saying, hey, we don't even get all these benefits. But the reality of it is you do. So you have to know how to access it. And so I just wanted to start to put together these very short videos to just help you get comfortable with how do you access the different benefits that you receive as a Microsoft certified trainer. So here's how you access it. You go to the Azure Pass portal itself at the link that is provided. That's http hack or //aka.ms/MCT Azure Pass using your Microsoft account. Again, so that means you're probably going to be using your MCT email account. And then you'll have to fill out the information accordingly. So that's the link. Go there. Don't go anywhere else. Go to that link. I'll leave it up for a second, and so that you can really kind of take a snapshot of it, or however you want to access it. And then you'll know, okay, this is where I need to go to start to take advantage of this particular benefit. Okay, now, once you're at the login, you're going to see some information that you have to provide. So you're going to give them your first name. You're going to give them your last name. You're going to give them your email address, the email address that you use as an MCT. You're also going to provide your MCT ID number. You have to provide that number because they're going to verify that you are in fact a MCT. As an example, if you are an alumni, you will not have access to this tool. So if you are full MCT, active MCT, you have access to the tool. So you have to put in your MCT ID, and then you have to put in the class that you're looking for, the class date. And the reason for this is because they want you to space the classes out at least 4 days apart. So it's safe to say if you have $100 a month, then you could use, take a class once once a week or once every 2 weeks or so, something like that, so that you really build out the skills that you need. So you accept the terms and conditions and you move forward. Let's go over it one more time very quickly. First name, last name, email address, and your MCT ID number, and then select a class. And you simply finish out the application itself by putting in an email address and making sure that you're not a robot. Notice that that you see at the bottom where it says, please check the following details before issuing a voucher. So they're going to verify that you are who you say you are. Your MCID of the user that's logged in, they're going to verify it. Only MCT users will be issued a voucher. So you must be a Microsoft certified trainer. Again, this is for those of you that recently became Microsoft certified trainers, or you renewed, and those kind of things. MCTs, note that it says MCT alumni users will be denied access, because when you're in the alumni pool, you're not active, and so they're not going to give you full access. There should be a difference of 4 days between two classes of a user. So they're telling you, space your classes out, because if you try to take a class within a day or two, you're going to be denied access. They want to be able to space it out. They want you to use the tool so that you develop the skills that you need in order to become a dynamic trainer. I hope this has been helpful, and we're going to kind of continue to put these small pieces together to help you understand how to navigate as a Microsoft certified trainer and take full advantage of all the benefits that are afforded with that certification.